Hi folks, it's Wendy. Thank you for joining me today. Today I have a 16 by 16 canvas that I'm going to do different shades of red in the background. And then I'm going to do golds and metallics, right? So I've got a deep gold, I've got a copper, and I've got a bronze with maybe a little bit of this metallic red, maybe a little bit of white to pop it out. I just want to do something abstract and see how it comes out. So wish me luck. Let's see what I can do for the background. For the background, I've got the Naphthol red light. I've got cadmium red deep. This is Liquitex Basics. This one is Amsterdam. This one is a red violet by Amsterdam. So give it a little bit of a darker color. This is the last of these colors, so I figured I might as well use them up. Right. I have no idea if they're opaque or not. We'll find out, won't we? Here's some of this red. Beautiful red. Gorgeous red. Okay. Then I've got the red light. Kind of more of an orangey color. Throw a little bit of that in there. And then this red violet to darken it up a bit, maybe give it a little bit of purples. Pour all of this in here, and we'll see what we get when I blow that out. That should be a pretty background. I kind of like that just the way it is. But I have plans, I have plans, I have plans. Gotta make sure all the sides are covered. All right. I'm going to torch that. So what I kind of want to do is, let's start with the, actually I want to start with the metallic red. Okay, so I think I want to go like this and then maybe do a little up here. No, I should do some down here. You know what? I'm going to do this because that's not the way I roll. This is the way I roll. I like this right there. I'm going to leave that there. So I'm going to do this metallic red just as a base, and a little bit up here. Then I'll do the bronze. I'm going to put a little bit of white in here, just a little bit. Here's the deep gold. And then the copper. All right. Now I'm going to use my other blow dryer because this is a smaller one. It's not as powerful. So I think it does a better job with moving things the way I want them. Let me torch this again. I'm concerned I don't have enough there. Let me put a little bit more white on here. I think I want to go with a little bit more deep gold. All right, stop it. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm going to start by blowing the center down here. Then I'm going to carefully go up this way, up here, down there. Then I'm going to come here and here. Wish me luck. You know what? I'm not happy with it. Okay, so we're bringing out the big guns now. First of all, I gotta fix this. Big guns. All right, I'm gonna leave it like that. I kind of like that. I like the background colors, and then I don't like that. Okay. All right, let me torch it, and then I will bring you down and take a look. Okay, so here it is up close. I really like it. It's very abstract. I like the background colors. See all the, that looks very fiery. You know what? This actually kind of looks like I'm going to call it the Phoenix. Kind of looks like a Phoenix. Let's see a bit of the shimmer there. I like how that came out. That's nice. Pretty happy with it. Thanks for joining me.